Ka Negrams Hospital ka bron hamau diang ka jingkatmen ya ka sorkar jala pat ya upai ba nongsong snong ujongka namar dan kam ban kuslai kat hadu menta la pensngau u menteri ka tanar ka kot ka kya ka sorkar jala uba Alexander Lalu hek ha ka jing ya kendu ya kilat pathai kubor menta ka sngi ka kharar tri ujongmang hadin ka jingle ban jurep ka jongu ya ka tei ka hospital ya ka bala sanran lang du director ka tanar ka kot ka kya u Dr. Amanwar u director jong Negrams u Dr. Bhattacharya. Hak jingli jungo uba AL hek ya ketik hospital sorkar ula penpau ya ke jing biang ketik hospital ban ai jing shakri ya ki paidba la ke dei ke jing sumar ha ke jing don jong kitiar. Ban penksan ya ke jing shakri jong ketik hospital kat kum ke jing UI ban saki ha ke ba ula yo banyak keren buat u director jong ketik hospital u Dr. Bhattacharya. Baka sorkar jela ke sengau sorong bakan don ke hospital ke bebiang kum kani. Ula pensngau bak hospital Negrams ka long ka babiang lot borok kitar don jingtuna upen pauru ya jingiro ya ka Negrams hospital ka balala ban ai jing shakri ya ki nongpang khamtam ya ka jingdon chongki ventilators ne ki tundong le ne oxygen ka jingbiang ki ka kamra ICU ya ha ka ba ki la banbu ya ki katkum ka jingdon kam Henry ban benrap ne kerchan AA yakne hospital Negrams ka sorkar jala kamla bat dan ka jinge keren tang ha ki hospital ba penya de ki rushimet ka sorkar kala nakaliang director ka hospital Negrams Dr. Bhattacharya ula pensngau ba ka hospital ka don ka thong ha ka jingle ban penbyang ya ka jingdon kam jung pai ba ka jala ki bajuan ban sumar ha ka ni ki jaka la ka dei ha ka liang ki ba pang covid ne ki bampang ka jing shakri kan yai long bet kumju ginong trai ka koi ka kya apo Negrams ki bakan thop na do ki doctor ki nurse ba ki staff ki long ki ba ai ka jing shakri ka baning kong kat kum ka jing long brew ya ka ba la yo kat kum ka jing hikai kite ginong trai klele kat bala ha ka bai dei pat ginong pang hospital ba kam kwa ba ginong pang ban don ka jing artatin ha ka jing sumar namar ka ni ka jaka ai jing sumar ka long kat kum ka jing pang la ki ba yo covid kidang don la ka jong ka kamra pat kinong sumar kidon la ka jong ka hospital kampanya kle jaktung ya ki jingpang namar ka wanra ya ka jingma ya ka ni lapun sngau u Dr. Bhattacharya.
We are appreciated and also we are very grateful, thankful to all the doctors, health workers that are working 24/7 to save the life of the people. So we are very grateful to all
we are here to save the life of the people.
We are here, all of us, we are here. You know, now even the laymen, they are coming forward now. They want to setting up Corona Care Center, they want to set up quarantine center. Everybody are coming forward to do these services to save the human life. This is very important. Since we are already, I'm being the health minister, I'm also a professional now, partly professional. Okay, not like you are fully professional in this service. So that's why we need the cooperation. Anything you need,
sir,
government is always there with you.
Sir, the main challenge is that we are running COVID and non-COVID together. And there, the human resources, that is the doctors, nurses, ward boys, everything is split down the line. So the same type of services continuing, but number of people less. These are challenges for which we had been preparing last time. So we trained other doctors and nurses from other parts of the hospital, even the preclinical, paraclinical, even the laboratory services. So they were trained in managing COVID ICU patients. And when this came up, we have called upon their services, given them refresher training, and now they are working with us. We need people, to maintain communication with the relations, wanting to know what is happening to my patient. Sometimes we need people to sometimes bring medicines for them from the pharmacy. We don't want to send the attendants of the COVID patients because they may be weak, they may also be becoming COVID affected. So we are getting other staff. So we are calling upon our staff from administrative section, final year MBBS students, fourth year MBBS students, interns. So they are all coming together so that the services can be given. The challenges in providing expanded ICU care lies not in the equipment. Equipment we have, We have more than 70, 77 ventilators. Some more maybe we will be getting. It is the people running them. Once you put a person in the ICU, we had one day one situation when, while in the rush of people being admitted and treated, one patient, we forgot to order meal for her. The wonderful thing is that lady was not angry with me. In the morning I have personally gone to see, she says, "Doctor, I think they forgot to give my meal." We are grateful for the nature of response. They have told me, but it was a great shame. But you know, if we are working off the hook, we are hitting the deck running, small slip-ups, and we are intending that they should be kept to the minimum, but we have immediately arranged everything. An explanation, you know, the family feeling that my husband is in this bed, but you are telling to shift outside. We explain that, okay, he is needing only oxygen. If he deteriorates, we will bring him back immediately. You do not worry, we will take care. You know how we tell, what we tell. We may do everything, but that milk of human kindness, if it is not there, everything else falls flat. A trust has to build up, a bond has to build up. So the challenge lies in the human resources, trained human resources, and this is true the world over. We are happy that we are getting good support from our people. Other departments are taking up sister department activities. Suppose medicine is looking after a lot of COVID, neurology may be looking after their patients in the ward. So we help each other out, and it is only through this that this type of pandemic we can take care. Our liquid oxygen tank capacity is adequate for now. Now you have a right to ask, why did you not buy a larger oxygen tank capacity? There is a system at work in this liquid oxygen. It is stored at below minus 200, minus 260 something. So these are cryogenic tanks. So in the outside temperature is warm. So still it will start building up pressure to evaporate. So this pressure, when we normally use the oxygen in the wards in the hospital, that pressure equalizes, drops off. It doesn't reach any dangerous level. If we bought a bigger tank, but we did not need that amount of oxygen, then even though we were drawing oxygen, the pressure would build up into the tank, and for safety reasons, we would have to bleed the tank and release oxygen into the atmosphere, a huge wastage. So therefore, a calculation is done, say a 30% plus minus, and we procure a tank of that capacity. So currently we are okay. We have got an oxygen concentrator through which we are filling up tanks also. And we are also, when requested and whenever we have that capacity, and till now we have not had a problem. When people are having a problem from other hospitals, we are filling it up. There is no cost involved because this is a service. This is a service. So this is not a commerce.
Kita come benyo ya ka order naga government of India. Kita ke limitation joki kita gitar hendrai kiman puar ke di benyo ka order naga government India as said by the our respected director of Negrims. We are also very happy with their preparedness. They have already their preparation. We have seen that they have done very well. They have kept the isolation ward separately. They have kept the waiting ward separately. They have kept the other ICU separately. All has been made arrangement. We are very, very happy. Then also they said that there is no problem with the oxygen. That there has no problem with the beds, no problem with the ventilator at present. Everything it be manageable. So this is that what we have been taking the review from the state government, also with the Negrim Hospital, for the best services to the people, particularly to not deny what kind of services, if suppose for the cancer patient, whether they need the radiation, they need any chemotherapy, it cannot be denied. There all have been arrangement, and also for the dialysis patient, that also been discussed. Everything has been taken care for all kind of patients, whether it is positive or the normal patients here. That's why we have come here to see that they get all kind of cooperation from the state government. Support. Ya kani ban aga supplement ya kiman par. Ya kita ngai iklan tang haki private hospital, ngimpat iklan haki government hospital ke badai jong ka government of India.